Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best outdoor ground cushions available on the market. The HUAWELL 2-pack Tatami floor pillow sitting cushion. If you're looking to add comfort and style to your outdoor spaces, this might just be the perfect solution for you. Let's explore why. The HUAWELL floor pillows are crafted from eco-friendly and sustainable harvested straw, offering not just comfort but also a natural and pollution-free seating option. Available in a generous size of 19.7 inches in diameter, these cushions can comfortably support up to 250 pounds, making them suitable for adults of all sizes. First off, these cushions are handcrafted from straw, which provides excellent breathability, perfect for summer and outdoor activities. They come with a high-quality construction and include a 90-day no-questions-asked warranty, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Whether you're looking to use them indoors or outdoors, these cushions are versatile enough to enhance any space, from your living room to your patio or even as a stadium seat cushion. Users have praised these cushions for their sturdiness, durability, and softness, thanks to the memory foam fill that ensures lasting comfort. They're not just functional but also add a decorative touch with their natural straw material, which varies slightly in color, making each piece unique. To wrap up, if you're searching for reliable and stylish outdoor ground cushions, the HUAWELL 2-pack Tatami floor pillow sitting cushion deserves serious consideration. With its blend of natural materials, comfortable design, and versatile use, it's a solid investment for any home or outdoor setting. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews like this. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, helping you make informed decisions one product at a time. Thanks for watching.